Hey guys, it's Stephen Kennedy at Edwards Garage in Rocky Mountain House. I want to tell you about this really nice 2013 Kia Sorento we just got in stock. It's an all-wheel drive, has about 152,500 kilometers on it. Really good shape for the year and the miles. I'm going to give you a quick video walk around on the outside and the inside to see if it's the vehicle for you. We'll start at the front. I highlight just a couple of things. I like it. It's got fog lights as well as the good style projection headlights. They are dual beam, so you've got high and low beam, so you get just a little bit extra light at nighttime, which is awesome. Okay, the front end is in really good shape. There's a couple things I will point out. We've got a slight little crack in the plastic bumper here, nothing too major. It's got a couple little rock chips on the hood that we are going to be getting touched up. But otherwise, for a 13, in really good shape, as mentioned. I move around to the side. The body here is really clean. There's no dings or chips or anything other than just a little miscellaneous dent there. The tires, 17-inch aluminums, okay? They are really nice. They're not too pitted up. They're not corroding or anything. And it does have brand new 17-inch rubber on them, mud and snow rated all-season tires, so that's really nice. There is a little bit of a rock chip here on the marker light. I do want to point that out so you know it's tough to see from pictures. Keyless lock and unlock on the handles, okay, so that's really handy. Moving around to the back, the unit here is kind of like the front, in pretty good shape for the most part. We've got keyless, or pardon me, not keyless, rear park assist, okay, which is nice. And then it's got pretty easy open tailgate here, just like such. And away you go. You got in the back lots of space. It does have the upgraded WeatherTech mat, which is awesome if you've got kids or if you're using it to haul stuff. So that makes it pretty easy and enjoyable to use. Couple little spots showing up here on the back, just a few little blemishes in the paint, but nothing too overly crazy. The bumper's not cracked up or anything, which is nice, and there's no real major scuffs on it. Over on the driver's side, kind of the same story, just a couple little things. We've got a few little paint touches there, but otherwise this unit is really clean on the outside. That's just a quick walk around for this. I will mention it's also got cross rails as well, which is nice for a toolie or if you're hauling bikes or kayaks or anything like that. So that being said, it is all-wheel drive. Let's go inside and we're going to show you the interior of it. All right, guys, we're inside this nice 2013 Kia Sorento all-wheel drive model. I actually am quite impressed. The customer who owned it kept it in really good shape. There's no tears or rips or anything on any of the upholstery. It's got really good space in the back if you have kids or dogs or anything that you got to haul around. But the ergonomics of the interior here are really good. I'll point on a few things that I like to point out. Cloth seats, okay, they are manual adjusting. They are not power. I will point that out, but they are heated, which is awesome. Okay, in our winter times, that's kind of nice. It does have an aftermarket remote start on it as well. All right, that's something that comes with the vehicle. And then it's got the nice upgraded radio. So you've got AM and FM satellite radio. You've got a CD player, and then just down below we've got a spot for a USB or an auxiliary plug-in if you have an MP3 player or your phone or whatever. Air conditioning, you can adjust the front and rear here, which is awesome. Okay, I've got it on a max AC, so it'll have everything in the car because it's smoking out today. Bluetooth is included in this vehicle. Cruise control. It's got the tilt steering wheel, all right, which is nice. And then a couple little extra comfort features: power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It's got lockable all-wheel drive, which is awesome. You can lock it in completely or deselect it if you don't want it in all-wheel drive, which is awesome. Traction control, stability tracker, all standard on this thing. It's a clean unit, really nice condition. If you have any other questions, please reach out to us. You can contact us on our website at edwardsgarage.com, or you can give us a call at 403-845-3328. We're located in Rocky Mountain House. We're right on the corner and right on the price.